That is full price with insurance. Finally here, it's a bit emotional moment because being in the Dakar bivouac really is a strange feeling. It's a magical feeling. This is the bivouac. We are the first ones to be here. In fact, everything still needs to be finished to set up. Here, all the trucks, assistants, cars and bikes will be here. Then down there, we will have the Malles Moto track where clearly I will be racing. Here, the race headquarters, media center, and everything else is already set up. The tension starts to build a bit because I still need to finish my bike. I haven't yet tried my bike, so I need to try and ride. I believe the first stages are the most critical because you really need to break in a bit in your mental state and find that flow, that rhythm. I'm so happy to be here, and I also, want to thank everyone that has been supporting me, from just liking posts on social media, watching the YouTube videos, to my sponsors that managed to get me here this year. I really look forward to the next days. Welcome to MTV Cribs Bisha edition. Here, my wonderful house that I found tonight at 1 a.m. with our local friend. This is my 1 million kitchen where we will cook. You see that this was a design we really wanted. Tables don't have to be straight. They have to have a certain degree angle. Then here is our very precious table. And to the two master bedrooms. Giacomo being my guest, he has this really cool setup, so he can sleep here, then move there, and then if during the night he wants to try and also sleep around on different positions of the sofa, or if he has friends with him. Then here is my bedroom and Gaia's. We have a bed, we have a closet, but the really cool feature of our bedroom is the toilet. The best toilet I've ever had in a house. Basically, while I'm taking a shit, I can shower myself. And this is the wonderful garden. We have a very nice swimming pool with no water, so you just jump down direct on the concrete. Then some stuff to play around and have fun and... We're off to the bivouac today. Also need to try the jacket because I'm so fed up. Guy even got the wrong size, so I don't know if it will fit. There's something that really pisses me off is the fact that I rely on people I sent to the supplier over a month ago to do all our shirts and everything. Tomorrow morning I have the flight, he didn't deliver, and clearly, because I care about my sponsors, I need to solve the problem because there are no excuse for not being nice and neat at Dakar Rally. This is why I have all the machines for different productions here at the workshop, because I know I can never fully rely on anyone else than myself. Now we are here to do the first accreditation. We are the first ones to come here also today. Went to pick up my bag because I need to organize it back in the hotel because I don't know even what's in the bag. And then now I go pick up the bike. We bring the bike to the hotel and we start working on it. I can't breathe. I'm starting today to start drinking mineral salts because we're sweating a lot. It's really hot and I'm really thirsty. And then in the next days when we start the race, I'll also start drinking the gels before the start of the special, drinking the recovery at night, and eating the energy bars I refuel. Today is New Year's Eve, 31st of December, and now, you know, we joked around a lot, had fun, but things are getting serious now. I'm a bit sad because now I see the Michelin track, they have all the tires, the mousse, but unfortunately with the new rule in the Malles Moto class, I can no longer just come here with my wheels, have them change them and put them back on the bike. I have never changed a mousse in my life, but how many do you change per day?
80, 100 every day.
So for any advice, I'll ask him. I'd say today is day 0 because today is the day we're gonna do scrutineering, the shakedown, and yeah, finish our bike.
Ask about the name, I've been putting in work, collecting, fuck the fame. Up in the stat while they watching the 10 in the game. Either you in it or just a critic, man, we ain't the same.
Fuel is always a bit critical. For this Dakar, I'm gonna use these Pure Motors filters. Basically, it's a filter that can filter also water in case there is water in the fuel, and they just go inside the tank perfectly.
Forward here, the gold is near the song. There's more for the ears that know what's still to come. I walked inside to find no weapon form. Then looked inside the eye withstood the storm. But I know temptation waits for years and all. It's a lot of money on the line for this if we get everything.
Now things are starting to get serious, and I must admit that tension is a bit building up. Today we did shakedown, we tried the bike. I didn't try it a lot, I just went for like 20 kilometers of a gravel road to be sure everything was fine. Came here, checked it, and tomorrow we'll give another check and do the scrutineering, and then it's on. The plan, if there can be a plan in Dakar, is to start slowly, just try and get the rhythm, start to know the bike, because even today riding it, I'm not used to it clearly, so I'll get used to it during the rally. I'm really happy, and there's something that I think is difficult to really make you understand in video, but the feeling you have, the emotion you have in your heart when you're here, when now everything is starting, is like you feel your heartbeat beats so hard that it's just incredible. I'm blessed to be here. We're now at the administrative checks. As always, I was fashionably late, but now we will go and check if we manage to get all the stamps. The one I'm most worried about is the accounting one. Well, let's see if we'll make it through.
From the court to the bikes, back to the course of my younger days.
Accounting went good, I got the stamp, so I'm really happy. Thank you.
Don't run away, stand on my feelings, don't need a chase. Just shoot me straight. I'm like an acrobat, a circus act, like they got me in a cage. I could go tit for tat, the gift to gab, but can't give it to the hate. I'ma just tip my cap and dip right back to my little happy place. Back on the 9 to 5 again. Steady, just working for Saturday.
Here at the scrutineering, I had to go back and forth a few times because I needed the 6 cartridge for the airbag, and I needed the license plate. Last step, I need to check the tablet if all is working, and then finally I hope I'm done so that I can just leave the bike and relax a bit, because today is the last day I can rest.
Never been slipping on sand, and man, I keep winning and winning again. Whoops, I did it again.
Number 85.
Turn me into a man, and man, I keep winning and winning again. Oops, I did it again.